Hello quiz fans! Ready for another round of Elephant Quiz where speed and focus matter. Today we're jumping into Find the Different Emoji Fruits and Vegetables Edition, a fresh challenge packed with colorful icons and sneaky details. At first glance they might seem exactly the same, but one small detail changes everything. You'll tackle 30 rapid-fire puzzles with just 10 seconds each, so stay alert and react quickly. Are you ready to play? Smash that subscribe button and let's get started. Let's kick things off with a warm-up. One of these carrot emojis is not like the others. Can you identify it? Well spotted! That carrot breaks the sequence. Something is off with one apple emoji. Can you detect it? Great catch! That's the odd one. Look closely at the pattern. Which tomato breaks the rule? Excellent pick! That tomato doesn't follow the pattern. Some vegetables don't have their matching pair. Can you spot them? That ginger doesn't have a pair at all. One banana emoji is blending into the grid. Can you identify it? You spotted it! That banana was cleverly hidden. A single turnip is pretending to belong. Which one is it? Correct! That turnip was outed instantly. Can you see the hidden vegetable? Yes, it is a broccoli. Take a close look. One broccoli doesn't match the others. Spot on! That broccoli is the odd one here. One emoji doesn't follow the group's visual pattern. Can you find it? Exactly! That's the point where the pattern breaks. Look carefully! Which eggplant refuses to fit in? Good catch! That eggplant is easy to spot. Take a close look and remember the positions of these emojis. After they vanish, can you remember where the onion was? Right, the onion sat at number 6. Check carefully. Which onion doesn't belong here? Correct, you identified the odd onion. Which emoji seems out of place in this arrangement? Nice work! That selection makes complete sense. What vegetable are hiding in this swamp? It's a cucumber. Great job! Look closely at both images. Can you spot all three differences? Excellent! Every change has been noticed. A cabbage emoji is hiding among the rest. Can you spot it? Exactly! That cabbage doesn't belong here. Which kiwi emoji doesn't blend in with the group? Well done! That kiwi is all alone in the group. Scan carefully. Which emoji doesn't fit the pattern? Spot on! That's the emoji that breaks the pattern. Is there an emoji that's completely by itself? Correct! The eggplant stands alone. Among the radish emojis, one appears different. Which is it? Good catch! That radish throws off the pattern. Looking at the full group, which emoji doesn't fit the pattern? Perfect! You read the pattern accurately. In this row, one pepper disrupts the visual order. Which one? Exactly right. That one makes the difference clear. What vegetable is hiding in this picture? Incredible! It turned out to be a pumpkin. A garlic emoji is hidden among the others. Can you find it? Good catch! That garlic stands out instantly. One emoji forms the wrong combination. Can you spot it? Right, that apple is the one causing the mismatch. Pay attention to the arrangement of these emojis. Once the emojis disappear, can you remember the tomato's exact location? Exactly right. The tomato was in position 3. Which mushroom doesn't belong in this set? Well done! That mushroom is clearly out of place. Among these pumpkins, which one looks different? Good catch! That pumpkin is the standout here. Look carefully. There are 3 differences to spot. Can you find each one? Impressive! You detected all 3 differences. One cherry emoji breaks the visual rule. Can you spot it? Well done! That cherry stands apart from the rest. Thanks for joining today's challenge. Elephant is excited to hear how well you scored. If you enjoyed the game, don't forget to subscribe and enable notifications for more fun puzzles. Pick your next challenge on the screen and we'll see you in the next one. Stay awesome, everyone!